From Worker to Trader, day number 26, and trading with MambaFX in his Discord private channel. Not again, this in his private Discord channel, day number 4. We're doing good so far, 2 winning days out of 2 days that we trade with MambaFX because we usually have the days off. This is our journal, 1.77%. Every day is the win day, just crazy. I'm just trying to show you the truth, but I can't say anything bad about this guy. In the previous part, we reached our funded account, so today it will be very, very important day. The first day of the funded account. I'm feel really stressful. And right now we will go and buy funded account. Let's see.
Best thing you can do, close half your position, let the restaurant go to target 5. I recommend opening up 2 positions and then closing one at target 2 and then letting the rest run. That's pretty much what we do. I would not buy NASDAQ right now. Oh no, I would definitely not buy NASDAQ. I wouldn't buy anything right now. Futures, yeah, futures every day. Moves the exact same. And I say buy NASDAQ, just buy MQ. Right off the jump. Yeah, I'll post a live. Yo, is Pedro, you good, bro? Talking to yourself or what? Giving off schizophrenic vibes right now. I don't see anything. Am I not seeing messages? It looks like you're talking to somebody, but I don't see that shit. Where? Pedro, where though? Uh, yeah, that guy's a fucking faggot. He's such a loser. He always that's his career. His career is to don't even call it a fucking career. That's the yeah. That's what he does for fun in his spare time when he's not jerking off.
What's going on, bro?
In my spare time, I'm fucking buying cars or spending millions of dollars on bullshit. There's a big difference in life between two different people. And I'll never entertain that video again. That's the one time that I'll click up and see what you guys are talking about. That's the difference.
That's the difference.
What do we got? We got 2.5 more minutes, baby. Let's go. Well, I can't tell you what a NAS setup will look like right now because at the end of the day, we're just not there yet. For me, if we're trading NASDAQ or NQ today, I would definitely want it to break back down. Probably break below channel / support here. Breaking below this resistance here is not a horrible position. Right there. Pretty decent stop. Whatever. Yada yada. We could see something like that occur.
Yada
But
yada.
we'll see. US 30 to me is looking a little bit better. If we could break out of this channel / resistance right away, I mean, it's a pretty decent buy position. We'd be looking at something like that. 65-point stop loss. That's a big stop loss, so you're going to have to adjust. Use a small lot size. Go micro. Go as little as you can. That's just what it is, man. Risk minimum. For sure, risk your minimum. Just 1%. Just go 1%. We
Risk
gotta go
minimum
so crazy. We're
one.
going for 1 to 2s and then letting the second half of our trade go for a 1 to 5.
Risk small 1%. Now,
2 seconds left. Let's go. No, we're not in anything yet. The markets haven't opened there for us yet fully. Now they're open. Now they're here. I'll make it very clear when we're in something. We're on a roll. We've been on a roll, but let's always be prepared to be humbled. Not every single day is going to be a fat W, a fat win. You guys got to understand that first and foremost. Have we been winning every single day? Of course we have. It's been a fucking beautiful thing, but it's okay to take a loss as well. So don't come on here big headed. Oh, let's risk my whole entire account because we've been winning every single day. That's not realistic. Let's be real with ourselves for once. Understand that losses happen. We need to just continue to risk the same every single day, which should be 1 to 3%, nothing more than that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. I don't like when a lot of you guys come on here with the mindset of getting rich quick because you're trading with me. It's just not realistic. I didn't get here by getting rich quick. I didn't get here by making trades happen overnight. It's a process, but with that being said, we are on a fucking fat streak. Huge streak. I mean, you see the last trade to the left of us from yesterday. Pretty much been what it's like every day, but I just want you guys to be prepared mentally for a loss to happen because it's going to happen at some point. I think NASDAQ's taken off from where it's at. Nope, it's breaking back down. Yesterday we actually took 2 W's, which is actually insane. We had a 1 to 5 on US 30 and a 1 to 2 on NASDAQ. I like this buy here if we break above. Kind of want to give it a little more room though, just a little bit. This is fake out territory. NASDAQ sell? Not yet. Not yet. It's getting near that zone though. This ain't love, and how do I get?
what? What was that?
Okay. That's why you see why I wanted to adjust. Price is fucking around too much now. There we go. That's why you adjust. That's why you don't just get in and get all fucking antsy and just start buying like crazy. We adjusted our entry. It didn't hit our entry. Now we wait. That's what we do.
That's
I
a
knew
good
that was
advice.
fake out territory.
That's a good advice right there.
NASDAQ looks like it might end up dropping into sell positions here. Ooh, holy shit, that gets big. It's insane. Kind of cool though.
Kinda, yeah. Kinda cool though. Now it's purple.
We'll adjust this one just a tad as well. US 30 gave up on us. That's it. That's all we're getting out of it. What the fuck? Okay. Keep an eye on it though, because it could still drop below, and then we'd be looking for sell positions below. Nasdaq's pushing down a little bit, but I don't like the movement particularly well because it's moving kind of slow. We need a little bit more of a push. Come on. And then we gotta be prepared for stoppage at this channel zone as well. Let you guys know if we get in that. US 30. I guess I can remove this for now. I'll redraw it if I have to. All right. Let's go ahead and sell NASDAQ off right here. Light position. Selling NASDAQ.
Order filled.
Can't freaking spell. Light position, light position.
Why I risk so much? I have no idea.
Markets are a little slow. Obviously, we would like price to move a little faster, but we'll take a position when it's there. We're coming off of a pretty major resistance. I think price wants to gravitate down to these support zones. We have a couple support zones that price could push down to. Obviously, support zone 1 / that channel, which we want to watch for. And then we have zone number 2, which would be a target 4. We'll see. Price is just a little, markets are a little slow right now. That's the only thing that's kind of making me feel negative about the trade in particular. But again, that's why we're going small. We're going light on this position. We're not risking our whole fucking accounts. Losses happen. And yeah, we're on a roll. So let's not lose any of those profits we've already gained. US 30 is pushing it below as well. So
I didn't realize that 5 contracts, 5 micro
too
contracts,
slow. It's moving
it's
too
a lot.
fucking slow.
Why 5 micro contracts? It's a lot. I have no idea, like why.
Go short position below these wicks here. Probably end up taking a couple of trades today again, so that's why I'm telling you guys it's important not to go balls deep on each trade. Come on, Nasdaq, you're playing too much. Playing too many games.
Show me Nasdaq.
Okay. So we have a close on the 5. 5-minute candle closure is nice, but this candle is going to really tell us everything we need to know right now. For one, are we going to be trapped into this resistance, which would be preferable? And then are we going to break below this double bottom support here? That's the first thing we need, is to break below the support. If we can break below the support, we should potentially be gone to the downside. But first we need to break the support zone here. Go to the 1 minute, let's see. A couple bullish candles in a row. We need this to close bearish. About 6 seconds left. We need this candle to close just how it looks now. Nothing higher. Come on. Ugh. It's okay. That's not horrible. Looking at this 1 now. We just got to break the support. Break the support with some power. It's holding well. It is holding well. Come on. Oh, US 30 is entering that zone. I'd like to take a sell here as well. It's a good sell position. I'm really focused on NASDAQ right now, but US 30 sells look really juiced up as well.
So should I?
My priority right now is I'm in NASDAQ personally. US 30 I'll call as a sell. NASDAQ's where my priority is. NASDAQ/NQ, but we'll sell both. We'll go ahead and sell both, actually. Yes, John, we're in US 30. Passed my 150K funded NASDAQ. Good. Made you some money on there. Let's
Order
go.
filled.
The support's holding up just a little too good. On the fucking 1. Just closed. A nice support closed again. Come on. Can't have that. We just can't. US 30. NASDAQ. Come on. We can't have that. We cannot have some support closes. We need this 1 to clean up just a little bit. Come on. Fuck, man. The markets are so slow. Chopping up a little bit. Don't chop up on me. Don't you dare get choppy now. That one should be going below now. There we go. We got oh, good closure on the one. That's a good closure on the one. We're right below or end. Come on now. Got the closure we needed. 15.5. There it is. There it fucking is. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Take some profit. You know what to do. Take some of that profit. Let's move, baby. I told you guys that if it would just go below on that one, we'd fly
Order
down.
filled.
Let's fucking get it. That's exactly what we're looking for right there. And they're still pushing. Make sure you guys start taking some profit. This thing's pushing. Same thing here. Target one on US 30 as well. That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
I'll explain a little bit here. So he said that the first time, probably somewhere here, was level of support, right? So when we break this level, he said, maybe I want to sell US 30, but I'm in the Nasdaq, so I didn't open the second position. He said, so I'm not open the second trade too. But when we already break the second zone of support right here, he said, let's go, or probably somewhere here. So actually it's like, 50-50. That was really, really bad entry from me. So absolutely obvious that this is not one-to-one risk to reward for me. So if you or maybe somewhere else just open their trade right there, everything is fine. But for me, that was stupid trade. I mean, stupid entry because that was too late. So I close this position right now and right there.
That's why you smoke a cigar. Stops to break even here on US 30.
Order filled.
Take some profit. Nasdaq, same thing. Start taking profit. Stops to break even. We're not losing today. We're gonna make sure we either break even with profits or we just make good profits. It's as simple as that. But we got to target one on both. I told you guys. I told you guys that if price could just break through the support here, we'd be good. Looking at that 1 minute time frame. This is why it's good to go back through different time frames. I don't usually show you guys all the time frame switches and stuff, but they're important. Now looking at the 15 at this support zone, we just got to break below that. We're respecting it. That's why I have stops to break even there, because we are respecting the support slash channel. You see the channel we're in? We're respecting it. Well, let me ask you guys this, especially you guys who've been here for a little bit. Would you guys prefer
Order filled.
if we did that analysis where we're really going down to all the time frames, or do you guys prefer when I'm like just sell zoomed out and we wait? You know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to confuse you guys either, but I would like to know what you guys prefer in terms of that. All right, I figured you guys would like the analysis more.
$20.
I'm telling you, you can really diagnose the entire setup. You really can, just based off of. I closed Nasdaq here. Nasdaq closed, break even, close that. We're respecting that support, and we're respecting that channel right there.
Damn, bro, $20.
Took my 1-to-1 here, 1-to-129. Wonderful.
It's not one-to-one if you close the half of your position, which means it's 1 to 0.5.
But okay, good to hear. Good to hear. Whatever helps you guys the most. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help. I am here to help. Yeah, I put it in writing so that way everybody can see that we're for sure selling. Like that's what we're doing. 1,200 off of NQ. Let's go, Byron. Let's fucking go, baby. Another big day. 2 sells at a target 1-to-1. That's 1-to-2 if you ask me, baby. Good shit. But I'll keep putting it in writing for sure so you guys can for sure see. 2.3K today, 1K off NAS. Let's go. Oh shit. That is what I like to see. 1.1K on US 30, 200 profit on 1K account, 1K off NASDAQ, 2.3K today, 1,200 off NASDAQ. Man, you guys are killing it. 2K NAS and US 30 running with 1.5K, 300 profit. Shh. Animals. Fucking animals.
That was very loud. I would like to go buy and stop to below this candle. Just need $20 or something.
With this candle closure, what would you take from that? So looking at the 15, the candle closure right here is amazing. That's amazing candle closure. The only thing I don't necessarily like about this trade and why I think it could go back to the upside is like we have support drawn from yesterday, which was pretty strong, and we're in that zone again in that area. So first and foremost, we need the 30. I know it sounds crazy, but we need the support to break on the 30. We already were breaking, but we started to retrace. We showed support. We would need price to break below that on the 30 and then continue down. But as of now, looking at the 5, the 15, it's respecting it a little bit too much. Looking at the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candles in a row, you know, this is a close. At entry up in here, that's a close. We take our profits that we've made on both trades. That's why we got out of that one at break even. But we take our profits, we're happy there, and we don't get greedy because to me, looking at the 1 minute time frame, looking at the 5, and looking at the 15, if this does come to break even up in this area, we close. If it breaks below, okay, it breaks below, amazing. But either way, we hold on and we see what happens. We're just about there. We'll see what goes down.
I really don't like.
What was the reason, Neff? Did it say?
I really don't like that I have $189.
Did they give you a reason?
It's just insane. I need $20.
Shit used to happen to me all the time.
What's going on with the Nasdaq?
Well, for NASDAQ, it's pretty simple. We were looking at the break. You see this resistance here? Boom, touches, resistance. A little bit of support on that candle. So it's just the zone right here is being touched a lot. I said if price breaks below that zone, I'd sell. I ended up adjusting, put it a little bit lower because I wanted to make sure price was pushing and it wasn't going to fake out. And then we entered on that break. So, you know, also exiting on that channel because you could see the channel is being respected. We're back to a target 1 right there, though, on US 30. This thing might push. This thing might fucking push.
Order filled.
US 30 was in fake out territory because it was early. It was early. We've already been overbought for a little while. Price wants to push right past that resistance right when we open. Typically, breakouts occur early on. That's when you see it the most.
Order filled.
NASDAQ's pushing back down. Could end up being a big trade or a big push to the downside.
Order
again.
filled.
I'm still in US 30 personally.
I'll explain you real quick why I opened my trade. The logic was really simple. The trade was really stupid as usual. So let me zoom this a little bit. Now let's see. We should take plus $10 before we can post our first day on the funded account. Because of the rules of the top step, you should take like at least 5 days with plus $200 before you can get your paid out. So my goal was today at least $200. So what's the logic of the trade? Usually, when we goes down and we want to reverse, usually we have big as fuck green candle or maybe two just nice candles, then a little bit of reverse, at least for the 50% of the movement. But if we goes a little bit down, like more than 50% of the movement of the previous candle, it usually means that we want to take this liquidity before we can go up. Because in the market, a lot of people open their long position right there just because they saw some fucking level or something. Very usual situation, I mean, very common situation when the price just goes down, like big as fuck candle. So a lot of people open their long positions, a lot of people still trying to sell this bullshit. So the market maker, what he can do? He can show the fake green candle to the upper side. So for the people who sell this bullshit on this candle, they was like, oh damn, we started to reverse. So they're just starting to close their short position and they start to open their long position after this green candle. And usually, I mean, it's a very common situation. For the market maker, it's stupid to give everybody money, right? So right here, after fake green candle, he could just sell everything back, break this level of support, break this level. And after this, when we already took all the stop losses from the sellers, from the buyers, from everybody, we can go up. So it looks like this, boom, boom, and then let's go. Like how the fuck you can predict this, right? You just can't. Like, it's pretty nice manipulation. Pretty nice. Very common situation. So right here, look at this. Look at this movement, bruh. My goal was to take just a little bit of movement. Do you see this candle? I thought we will just break this level, maybe a little bit, like 0.00001%. And then we can bounce like, I don't give a fuck, I will take my $20 and that will be it. But I didn't expect that we can just reverse from my fucking entry. That was really funny. But anyways, that was my logic. If it's stupid or not, it's your decision, guys, to write a comment about this. But for my opinion, at that time, that was a very nice trade. For me right now, it's not A plus setup, but maybe it's like B setup. Alright, I changed my mind. It's C setup just because my really logic was to break this level, took my $40 and I mean $20, $40, whatever, and then close the market. But look at my fucking stop loss. My stop loss $200, which means everything that I told you, absolutely bullshit. Because risk to reward, it's like 10 to 1 negative risk to reward.
That's a great plan.
Took about half my profits on that first initial push, let the rest run. I did not get out of break even yet. And that's just me personally.
Come on, bro, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And now we will never come back to this zone of my entry, huh? I just need $10. Alright. Let's do it in that way. If it will be like plus $20, I will close this trade. Okay, yeah, fuck me. Let's go, dog. This is my...
I recommend 3 trades a day max. I mean, that's potentially 3 losses, but if you're aiming for 1%
Go down.
risk, that's 3% on the account max for the day. Aim for 10% gains on the account. You'll be okay, but
Holy
I
shit.
would say, yeah, even then, 3 losses is kind of pushing it.
Beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. Why the fuck I opened this trade right now? Because of the MambaFX. It's not his fault. Damn it. Pretty stupid trade. Pretty. And now it's just stuck. Beautiful. Literally just stuck over there. We just create zone of support and then we bounce from the zone of support. Shish. Damn. I would like to open the Nasdaq actually.
What was that knock sound?
Come on, bro. What the fuck?
Order filled.
Yeah, fucking Just bullshit. Just bullshit. Look at this candle. Damn. I
US
already
30
seen
second
this.
half
I already
is
seen this.
closed out.
I already
So there
seen
you
this.
have it. We made our profits. Nothing more than that. The runners didn't go very far, but it is what it is. Profitable day either way. We took 2 trades, one on both. It's a pretty big day. Pretty solid. Obviously, prefer the runners to run like this, but it doesn't always happen. Does not always happen. Either way, we made
Order
good
filled.
fucking money today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the name of this trade, I'm fucking idiot. I'm just watching on this trade right now and it's just crazy. Look at this actually zone of support that we could just bounce from this level, but it's not very horrible, right? It could be. But what the fuck was my entry, bro? Why I opened my trade right here without any confirmation? I wanted to say that I have no idea, but I really have idea because this guy right here, he has FOMO. He has FOMO. It calls FOMO in the market. It calls FOMO. He just opened his trade in the middle of nowhere with the level of support. I just can't even tell you what's the name of this trade. It's A plus setup, maybe it's B plus setup, maybe it's C plus setup, or maybe it's bullshit setup. Probably bullshit. I have no idea. I have no idea how bullshit writes, but something like probably like this, right? Bullshit. I have no idea. But anyway, like it's just crazy. Don't even try to write me a comment about this, okay? I understand everything. And one of the reasons why I record this video, I always watch this video. Always. Every video that I record, I always watch them just to make job on my mistakes. Here is bullshit trade, and I understand this. So let's keep going.
I appreciate you guys for watching again. We'll come back tomorrow, and guess what? We'll do it again like we always do. See you guys later.
Now I can speak. What the fuck? Why? Wait.
Order filled.
They just fucked me up. Wait. I knew that I just need to make fucking $10. I knew that I just need to make fucking $10. And then I will lose everything. Yeah, I know. I already knew it. Yeah, fucking $10. It's fucking jinx me. Fucking hate these rules of the funded account. Hey, you need $200. $189. Alright, I just waiting. Like, wait. We just. Pretty nice situation to open trade, actually. I don't know what's going on in the market. I should wait here, huh? If I was just waiting. Okay, look at the fair value gaps real quick. Right now we are in the zone in your fair value gap. Right there. So we're trying to fill it out the zone of fair value gap. Let's see how it goes. In the Nasdaq, I really like the short position because we didn't take this liquidity, still not yet, or we target this liquidity. Let's see. Yeah, I closed my position with minus $60, and right now we're just pushing above. Probably we wants to come back. I mean, wait. We could go down after this, actually. Fucking 2 losing trades in a row, just like that. Alright, we are pushing in the Nasdaq to the bottom line. We have resistance here. I guess we should go down like fake out here, fake out here. Wait. We don't have actually a lot of power here. The goal's up. What about 1 hour, 4 hour time frame? Mm. Okay, we disrespect the zone or something. Mm. We have strong weak over here. We're still trying to fill out this favela gap. To play with the small numbers is just crazy, dude. Just crazy. I really want to sell Nasdaq, like, but at the same time, it looks like somebody just trying to buy the price, and we have stop losses here, 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 so a lot of stop losses. Before we will go up, we need to take these stop losses real quick and then go up. Because it really looks like somebody just buying the price. I just need to understand where we're trying to go. Probably to take. Where is the London session? Wait. Where is the London session real quick? London session here. We already took everything from London session. So yeah. Now we respect this gap. I mean, farewell gap. And now we can go sell.
Order filled.
Let me introduce to you guys the A plus setup, just gorgeous trade. I will explain you why. We have zone of interest right there. It's not fair value gap because we have previous candle with big as fuck shadow. So fair value gap we have right there. So we break this zone of interest and we create a fair value gap. We come back to the zone of fair value gap and we start to respect this fair value gap. Then what I see, like I told you, we goes down. A lot of people they open their short position. Then we have big as fuck green candle, which is trap for buyers. It's trap for buyers. So a lot of people bought their price on this level. And then boom, big as fuck red candle. Like I told you, if we have candle, for example, very nice candle to upper side like here, we could reverse a little bit, like maybe 30% of the movement and then goes up. But if we reverse on 50% like this, boom, it's like 50%, I will, like 50%. Which means we could absolutely very easily goes down, and this candle calls the trap for buyers. In the volume you could always see this. I have no volume, I mean I'm not count this, so it's just trap for buyers. It's very nice price action and we want to take this liquidity at least or even goes down. So it's literally A plus setup, A plus. And let's see how it goes. So we respected this gap. That's the reason why I opened my trade. Probably we want to target at least here. Maybe even more. 1-to-1 risk to reward. Let's see how it goes. We up anyway. We filled out this fair value gap. Now we want to grab this liquidity from here before we can go somewhere. So yeah. Okay, let's see. Nasdaq wants to push down. Could we just goes down like without any bullshit like this, please? Okay, we still trying. Do we want to go here? Like it's, I don't know. Should I open my trade in the short? We really hold the price right there. I don't like that to open the short position. We should close below, like really nice candle with the really nice body, and then I will think about it. What we have in the Dow Jones. Where we should target? Yeah, probably we can have reaction from here, from this zone of support. So yeah, it's pretty nice zone. Okay. The sell looks so juicy in the Nasdaq, so juicy. Could be fake out too. Let's see. Come on, US 30, come on. A little bit more push. A little bit more push. Very nice closure. Look at the Nasdaq. Damn it. It looks pretty nice for the sell. Wait. It looks pretty nice for the sell position because we always pushing, but yesterday we had the same situation. We have lower highs every time, so we could break them all with one or two candles and it will be just insane. And I really don't like this idea. So probably some market maker could, push the price down before we will have big as fuck green candle. Okay, now we switch liquidity and now do you want to go higher? Hmm. Yeah, let's back to my entry.
Order filled.
And here is another A plus setup. I will explain you why. The entry is actually very bad. It's very risky entry. I should take the entry after this zone because it's really important zone, and actually in that case we could just bounce from the zone. But why I said this is A plus setup? Because yesterday I reached my funded account with the same fucking setup. Absolutely the same one. We already sweep the liquidity right there with this candle. But every time when we try to goes down, we have liquidity here, 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 here. It's just crazy, dude. It's just absolutely crazy, which means like with two or even like with one candle, we could take all this liquidity. Dude, it's just crazy. It's just cluster of liquidity. All this juicy liquidity, and we already took liquidity from the bottom. It's absolutely gorgeous A plus setup. Like literally, maybe it's like A plus plus setup. But the entry really, really like very risky, very risky trade. In the perfect case scenario, you should open your trade after this candle will close above, or if you will see like really nice push right here. Like we had push, yes, but look at my entry. A little bit of push and I already opened my trade. Yeah, that was the stupid decision. But the logic of this decision, like, it's pretty gorgeous. I guess it's fake out. Like, we just did liquidity sweep. And then we can go up and clean all this liquidity on the top. That's my that's my that's my thoughts in my head right now. What about this? Of course. Let's go, let's push. Why I'm risking so much? Why it's $200 from my point? Like it's a little bit high for me actually. Let's go up. A lot of people they wants to see short position. That's the reason why it's good opportunity to open long. And because of this cluster of the levels. Let's go. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. What's going on here? Just crazy. Let's go push to the upper side. Let's go. I knew that you wanted. You already. That was liquidity sweep. Look here. We just sweep a lot of liquidity and now we can go up. So it's 2 to 1 risk to reward. Let's see. Long position right there. At least target the 50% of the movement and candles right there. What about here? Because this level was broken, and plus, I mean, that's a lot of liquidity right there. I really don't like this situation, and at the same time, I have pretty nice situation right there. I shouldn't open my trade here, huh? Yeah, probably. Wow. Let's go. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Let's go a little bit more. A little bit more.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm about to close this trade because we had a reaction from this level. It is what it is. I closed my trade here because we have zone of support and it's not just one line. We could have zone of support like here, you know what I mean? So we start to bounce from this zone at least twice. We just freeze on this level. So I closed my position. But in my opinion, the best decision was to move my stop loss to break even. I mean, not break even, to 50% of the movement like here, probably. So yes, on this level should be my stop loss. But I closed the trade. It is what it is. Let's go. Let's go. Like literally everybody just opened their trade in the short position. It's almost exactly trade like yesterday, like from the yesterday. Look here. Every time just somebody pushing the price, right? So if we have like one or two biggest fat candles, we can take all of this liquidity. That's my goal for today. That's my trade right there. We still wants to go higher. We still wants to go higher. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We still didn't take this liquidity. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. I knew it. I knew it. Let's go. Everybody in shock right now. Stop to break even or not yet? I mean, wait, just wait. It's pretty nice trade. Let's go. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Keep on pushing. Keep on going. Just wait a little bit. I'm wait for the. If we should not have the red candle over here. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Take these stop losses. Keep on pushing. Keep on going. Yeah, more, more. Give me more. Give me more.
Order
Alright,
filled.
we hit this level, so I don't like this. And boom, guys. Just like that, $322. Yes, guys, no comments. Absolutely no comments. I closed my trade really, really, really early. Because literally, we took a little bit liquidity here, but the whole point of this trade was to take this liquidity because we have pretty nice price action over here. It's zone of interest. It's literally a lot of stop losses over here. Very nice liquidity. But I closed my trade right there. Unfortunately, at least my stop loss should be over here on this zone. It is what it is. Any questions? 75% of the win. Any questions? Any questions? Am I stupid, you said? Any questions? Sorry for this a little bit bullshit reaction. I know, I'm just, trying to feed my ego a little bit. Like, that was pretty nice trade, and I don't like to watch on the candles one more time. And now I can breathe. And I really love all of you guys, even your bad comments. I mean, I always think about them. So, yes, I just wanted to say you thank you. Yeah, like I told you guys. Like I told you. Actually, I closed pretty nice trade. So don't fucking look at it. This is our journal, guys. I started over from the funded account right there. So we have new numbers. And after 30 days, I will plus all these numbers, all of them. So right now, we have plus 1.77% from the evaluation account and plus 0.38% in the funded account, which is really nice, That was 2 break-even points, so yeah. And look at here, guys. Just like I told you. But I was afraid of this reaction right here. Anyway, I should not have my FOMO. That was pretty nice trade, wherever. At least that was 1-2-1, so I am good with it. I'm good with it, but my prediction was pretty nice. But after this, a couple of minus trades, I was pretty pissed off about these rules of the funded account, whatever. That was nice prediction, but I didn't wait a lot. Actually, I had reaction. From the levels before. Nobody knows in 100% when the price will reverse. For me, yeah, it doesn't make sense to reverse over there that I take profit. I mean, that wasn't take profit, I just took my money from the table. So in the real good scenario, I should move my stop loss to break even point and wait until take profit will be taken, right? But today I already did our trades. We did 5 or 8 trades. Yeah, there was very small trades, right? After MambaFX, he did 2 or 3 trades, and I took like 2 or 3 trades, so that wasn't the good idea. So I had emotional pain inside me, and in that case, I just thought about if the price will reverse and hit my break-even point, probably because of the rules in the funded account, I will think about to open one more trade, and it will be disaster. Or I could take my money from the table with 1-to-1 risk to reward because I see in the reaction, and I will be good for today. So I just took my money from the table, and that's it. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and guys, really thank you for your views, for your subscription, for everything. Look here. And actually, for those who didn't watch this video, go and watch this video because all of these videos I didn't edit, right? But this I edited pretty nice because before this, here we have only edits everywhere. But then I just switched format to live because I want to learn from my recordings and I see your support on this, so it makes sense. All right, guys. Thank you one more time. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you for your views. Thank you for everything. I love you guys. Bye bye.